Alright, Z. Welcome Wild Factor family. We got my son Z. Yeah, just the two of us for the day. I couldn't get the rest of the crew. They had other things to do, but we're gonna hold it down, right? So what we doing today, Z? Deep scrubbing. Yeah. Right. Oh, look at that, yeah. Oh yeah, we're doing the deep scrub. We did this a week ago, but we noticed that it was some residual stains that was left back. And the customer was and, you know, it wasn't like something super serious, but just started looking to. But we said we was going to do a scrubbing before we laid down the wax. So we're using the black pad, we've already did this with the floor buffer, added extra weight to the buffer, but this is just to get those little residual stains that's here and there on the floor. We're going to come back over it with a microfiber pad, so it pretty much is going to mop it up with the oscillating, the ORT, which is an oscillating pad machine, and let that dry. Then we can start laying down the wax. So it's looking good. Again, those residual little stains that was here and there in the floor, and it's looking good. Good job, Z.
Appreciate it.
Bringing the Wild Factor. Oh yeah.